Today we're going to make an eggplant moju, commonly known as brinjal moju. Finely slice the eggplant and get it ready to be fried. Then slice the carrot, bell pepper, onions and green chilies. Pound the mustard seeds and add salt to taste. Dice the fresh dates. Then take the colorful veggies to the pan to be sauteed. Add lemon to the mustard paste, then add dates and give it a good mix. Fry the eggplant well and let the oil drain out. Then add it to the mix and stir really well. Now it's time for the sauteed veggies to go in. Once it is mixed well, let it sit for an hour or two before serving. Click here to watch how to make the perfect Dutch burger lampreis.